Welcome back to reviewing for your Algebra 1 Semester 1 final exam. Problem 45, at least this year's problem 45, deals with another system of equations, and they're asking, okay, we need two equations here and we want them to have an infinite number of solutions. And remember, if two equations are going to have an infinite number of solutions, and I'll just graph this one. This is the graph of y equals x plus 2. Right, we'll graph that one really quickly over here. Couple more tick marks though. The graph of y equals x plus 2 starts at 2 and it goes up 1 over 1. Easy enough. Looks something like this. Right. Give or take like that. Not perfect, but decent. There we go. So we have this graph. In order for another graph to cross this one an infinite number of times, our other graph needs to be in the exact same spot, which is really just a fancy way to say it needs to be the exact same line as our green line that's on here. So which of these equations are exactly the same as y equals x plus 2? Well, not this one, not this one. It's down to a and b, right? So let's get y by itself on each one. For b, I think we'd have to add x to both sides, and that gives me y equals x plus 3. That's not the same. By process of elimination, it's probably a, but let's make sure. Let's get y by itself. I'm going to divide everything by 2. That gives me y equals x, and then 4 divided by 2 is 2. Oh, that's the same. As soon as we know that a is the same as the equation up there, we know that those two equations have infinitely many solutions because they are the same, they're on top of each other, they cross an infinite number of times.